Hi, I'm Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for this style Mercedes key. Big thank you to Lucas Mercedes Benz of Wolverhampton for helping me make this video possible. I'm going to show you how to change the key battery on this style key. Now, if you own a Mercedes with this style key, check out my playlist, top right corner, or see the video in the description below to see how to change the battery on these particular keys. So here's the key. And what I'm going to do is I'll show you how to replace the battery on this key. Now all you need to do is push this part here. That releases the blade of the key. And then what you can do is push this, and now this part should pop off. And you just have to slide it like that. And that releases the plastic cover. And now all I want to do is probably use the blade, and I can actually, you can see there's a slot here, and I should be able to just prise that open with the key. There we go. And then you can take the battery out just like that, and then all you need to do is take the battery out, go to your local Mercedes Benz dealer, just get a good quality battery. They'll get the right battery for you. This is for the old style key. I think for this particular key it might be the 2032 rather than CR 2025. Just double check with your local Mercedes Benz dealer before you put in the battery. And then once you've finished, just put this back on. Stick that back in, just like that. Put this black plastic cover back on. Make sure these ends go into this slot first, and then that just slides down, just like that. And then you can put the blade back in. Give it a pull just to make sure that doesn't come off. And you can see it's still working. The LED light just proves that the battery has been put back in correctly. I will be making a video on some tips and tricks that you need to know, so please watch that video by clicking on the top right corner or find it in the description below. Please subscribe as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the Mercedes playlist for more videos, including videos on how to use the main features of Mercedes models. Thanks for watching.